Now the new rumor is creeping up on DJI, and apparently DJI Action 3 will be released in mid-September, and its appearance is almost same as Osmo Action, the good old Osmo Action. And how reliable is it? Well, it is coming from Dill's Drone Twitter, and he has so far been a very reliable source on DJI rumors and leaks. And if we also see the DJI.com, we can see a huge discount on DJI Action 2 Power Combo. The original price was $399. However, right now it is going at a huge discount at $279. One thing to note about DJI Action 2 is that it had been on discount a few months after the release, because I actually honestly think DJI Action 2 was not that popular over device for DJI. Compare that to DJI Pocket 2, which is still going at an undiscounted price, still going at $349, the original price. So Pocket 2 series, the Pocket series, has so far been more popular than Action 2, which had been sleek design, however magnetic, which may be a little bit impractical. And also there was a big issue about overheating, which I've also tested in my videos. Further updated rumor on 23rd of August from Dill's Drone. Beside Action 3, another rumor is that OM6, the Osmo Mobile, which now they just call it as OM6, OM5, but actually OM6 is rumored to be on the way, because you can see that in China from tomorrow you can see huge discount going for Action 2 and also Mini 2, because Mini 2 already there is Mini 3 Pro, and huge discount for OM5 because there may be OM6, because so far we've already had other rivals, other competitors who have released many good devices like Zhiyun. Do check out some of my review videos on Zhiyun gimbals. So there has been also another Twitter from Ozita LV, which has been a very reliable source on DJI rumors and leaks. You can see that he also wrote, "Prepare to sell your Action 2." Quickly, I want to talk about some of the competitors such as GoPro. So GoPro Hero 10 Black would be the comparison against Action 3, which would have similar form factor as Osmo Action. So basically this GoPro type-like action camera. Really sturdy with good waterproof system, and some of the specs you can see, 5.3K, 60 frames per second video resolution. The slow motion will be at 4K resolution, which all seems pretty standard at the current action camera level. And also 23 megapixel photos, and of course it's going to have very good stabilization. I think any company such as GoPro, Insta360, and also DJI, they would have good stabilization. Waterproof up to 33 feet, I think that's 10 meters. Right now Hero 10 Black is going at $350. Another competitor that I want to really highlight, another brand that I really love working with, Insta360. They do have One RS range, and what's very special about it, they do have the lens for 48 megapixel, and you can also switch it with different modules such as 360-degree camera. So it gives very special view, and you can capture super duper wide actions such as skiing, paragliding, etc. And such camera, Insta360 One RS 4K edition, the camera is going for around $300. If you go for the twin edition standalone, it is going at $550. If you're interested, of course, do check out some of my videos, review videos on this camera. So we don't have so much information on Action 2, however, it's just beginning to show, because now DJI Avatar will be already released in the market. So I'm sure we'll hear more news, more rumors, more leaks on Action 2 in due course, because apparently it is going to be out sometime in mid-September, which should be good time for autumn and also the holiday seasons in the winter. And I'll keep you guys all updated, so stay tuned, subscribe, like the video, and see you!